everybody. I had a big day. I went to homecoming, and I went to Pumpkin Works and walked in the corn maze. And I've not taken a nap today for longer than 20 minutes at a time. But I'm happy right now. Having a good time playing on my mat. Talking. And we only hope this lasts and that we don't have a breakdown. Because we're no napping girl today. Can you say bye to everybody? Can you say bye-bye? What do you think? There we go. She says bye. I'll see you later. This is just a video of me talking because it's cute. Bye-bye.